Yo, good afternoon, viewers of YouTube. My name is Tyler of Chico Crypto, and welcome to another episode of Crypto and a Cold One. Deciding to get a little crazy for you guys today because screw this market. Let's go. Let's go. Now watch me try to do this. Oh man, I'm barfed. Oh, well, there goes the cold one. So, oh man, made me feel no good. So, isn't this fun, crypto enthusiasts like myself? Crypto and this bear market we have entered seems to never stop. Looking at the price of just Bitcoin from the beginning of March, we are trading at a Yo, good afternoon, viewers of YouTube. My name is Tyler of ChicoCrypto.com, and welcome to another episode of Crypto, and of course, a cold one. Unfortunately, I messed up on the video before, and I opened the beer, so it's open. But let me tell you, this is beer. Featured guest is Dale's Pale Ale from Osaka Blues Brewery. So isn't this fun, crypto enthusiasts like myself? Crypto in this bear market we have entered seems to never stop. Looking at the price of just Bitcoin from the beginning of March, we were trading at a high of nearly $11,700 USD. But March has been ruled by the bears, dragging the price, as of shooting this video, to a low of just below 8K USD. And a quick buyback just happened and it raised the price to 8,200 USD. So what caused the sell-off early this morning, or last morning? Well, the Mt. Gox case is showing its ugly head once again and making people fearful, uncertain, and doubting their positions. The infamous Mt. Gox Wallet on March 24th has once again moved 7,000 BTC out of their wallet. It's a weird address too. The address has received nearly 1.7 million Bitcoins with 95,534 transactions. And their final balance is around 8,000 BTC as of shooting this video. Is this some sort of an exchange address or BTC mixing address? Very, very weird is all I have to say. Now let's dive into the bigger news, bad news about Litepay. So Litecoin, the original shitcoin, just a copy of Bitcoin who is used as a testnet for Bitcoin. Well, it looks like the Litecoin Foundation and Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin, are in for some shit too. Litepay is ceasing all operations and intends to sell off the company. This should have been known as the CEO, Kenneth Azare, held a shit show of a Reddit AMA 2 weeks ago where he gave no specifics of the project and was avoiding questions. So the Litecoin Foundation said that they approached Azare regarding the company's concern over his Reddit AMA, and at the time he asked for more money to continue operations. The foundation refused until he was able to provide evidence of how the previous money was spent, and of course he came up with nothing. Well, the Litecoin Foundation has apologized, saying they should have done their due diligence, and Charlie Lee sent out this tweet. Like everyone else, we got too excited about something that was too good to be true, and we optimistically overlooked many of the warning signs. I am very sorry for having hyped up this company and vow to do better due diligence in the future. Wow. Wow. Just wow. All I gotta say from this guy. Litecoin investors and fanboys, you do have to realize that you just got fucked by Charlie and his friends again. Charlie is not a good guy, and I can't believe that people think that. The Coinbase resurrection listing, and it reeked of huge insider trading. And then the fucker selling all of his holdings at the very top of the uptrend because the public started to catch on to his bullshit. Fuck Charlie Lee and Litecoin. Hope this shit is the catalyst to finally make these two go the fuck away. So moving on to the next bad news for crypto. Twitter has confirmed that they will be banning paid cryptocurrency ads starting tomorrow. Following in the footsteps of Reddit, Facebook, and then Google, this all seems like a coordinated attack on crypto by a lot of the big media players to bring the market down. Under this new policy, the advertisements of ICOs and token sales will be prohibited globally. The ban also covers crypto exchanges and wallet services, allowing only exchanges and wallets who are public companies listed on major stock markets. Not very clear, but I think this means Binance, Coinbase, and others will be fine to advertise, but smaller wallets and exchanges won't be able to until recognized by Twitter. So, fucking bad news, get out of here. I hate bad news. I really want some good news. I really hope this wave of bans doesn't eventually trickle down to crypto YouTubers like myself, or I'm out of a job. I might need to get on DTube or the decentralized YouTube based off the Steam blockchain as soon as possible. Well, let's move on to some brightening news and get us some good stuff that's optimistic. Fuck that bad shit. So one of the best NEP5 tokens, in my opinion, has been listed on Binance, and that token is QLink. This was much needed to increase the volume for QLink, and it did some nice things to the price. QLink had a slow bleed down to around 10 cents USD and got pumped up to, after the listing, to nearly 21 cents, and has recently settled down to about the 15 cents range. Now, QLink has been one of the most solid NEP5 tokens on their DApp development with weekly updates to the DApp. It is go time for the QLink DApp, with it about to go live on the Android App Store. So they are aiming for 100,000 users worldwide in the first 3 months of the global launch, and they're going to need the community's help. They're actually looking for city ambassadors to help spread the use of the app and to be the facing image for QLink in your respective area. So the full details of the collaboration with city ambassadors can be found in a Medium blog post posted by the team, which will be in the description of this video. And of course, you will be handsomely rewarded in QLC or any other acceptable payments. So, some other good news for the other side of the smart contract ball, Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. Coinbase has announced that they are supporting the ERC20 technical standard in the coming months, but they aren't announcing any support for any specific assets. Well, this is crypto, so why don't we speculate a bit on which ERC tokens will be the ones to list first? Because boy howdy, the price will go bananas when it does happen. Well, one of the first ERC20s I think is going to be listed is ZRX. Why, you may be asking yourself? Well, Detective Chico decided to do some researching into the CEO Brian Armstrong's tweets and retweets of cryptocurrencies recently. And today I found that Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong retweeted in January that ZRX has done more for the Ethereum ecosystem than any other ICO in the past 5 months. And this isn't the first time Brian has tweeted about ZRX. Way back in August of 2017, he tweeted that ZRX is pretty interesting. Brian, it sounds like to me you have a hard-on for ZRX. And it doesn't stop there. The Ethereum DApp Explorer, made by Coinbase called Toshi, created their own decentralized exchange DApp called ERCDX. And guess what it utilizes? The ZRX protocol. And this news was just dropped last month. I would give ZRX a high chance of being the first ERC20 to be added. Who else though? The next ERC20 I think will be added is Basic Attention Token. Brian Armstrong has hinted about BAT Edition for a while now. Here's a tweet from Brian from about 2 months ago where he says, I think most or many user-generated content apps on the web today will get rebuilt on the decentralized web. And every upvote, like, stat, follower will send real money to the creator of the content. He then says, my bet is that it will be one of the big early use cases for crypto. Sounds like Basic Attention Token to me. Digging deeper, we find that Brian Armstrong in March of 2017 tweeted a video of the founder of Basic Attention Token, Brendan Each, explaining how advertising works within the platform. He then tweets, "This is exactly the sort of token we would like to support on Coinbase and GDAX over the coming year." The other two coins who are on my list for getting listed include Augur and Golem. Augur has been tweeted about from Brian, as well as calling the project awesome with huge potential. Augur was even hosted back in July of 2016 at the Coinbase headquarters. The relationship Augur has with Coinbase has been around for a while now. And another tidbit. Back in May of 2017, Coinbase posted a blog titled A Beginner's Guide to Ethereum Tokens. And Augur, as well as Golem and DigiX, were mentioned in the blog post, and their pictures were actually shown. I think DigiX DAO would be too much of a risk for Coinbase to list now. Also, about 10 months ago, someone was digging around in the Coinbase.com code, and guess what two tokens were listed in there? Augur and Golem. Well, I think I have a pretty good idea of the ERC20 tokens coming to be listed. Once they do happen, let me know. Say, "Tyler, you're fucking wrong," or "Tyler, god damn it, you were so right." ZRX has been getting a pump lately, but QLink listing on Binance, very, very good news. Bad news is coming, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. The bears could return, the bulls could return. This is crypto. Well, thanks everyone, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.